Our nation's culture resides in the heart and soul of its people. Namaste everyone. Today, we the students of Cultural Club are here to present our special assembly on the topic Hidden Cultures of India.
Indian culture. Indian culture is the heritage of social norms, ethical values, traditional customs, artifacts and technologies that are associated with or originated in the ethno-linguistically diverse India.
The term also applies beyond India to countries whose cultures and histories are strongly connected to India by immigration, colonization or influence, particularly in South Asia or Southeast Asia.
India's food, music, dance, culture and traditions differ from place to place within the country.
Some view literature, painting, sculpture and music as the main four arts, of which the others are derivative. Drama is literature with acting, dance is music expressed through motion, and song is music with literature and voice. An art form which originates in the Indian subcontinent are the patterns which are created on the floor using materials such as powdered limestone, red ochre, dry rice flour, colored sand, quartz powder, flower petals, and colored rocks.
Kolam symbolizes auspiciousness and good luck. In millions of households in Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, women drop kolams or magoo in front of their house entrance every day at the break of dawn. The kolam or magoo has two functions, religious and ornamental. Traditionally, various motifs were drawn on the floor to feed insects with the designs made out of edible grains and the dyes from vegetable coloring. This act of charity is encouraged in Hindu scriptures.
Kolam is an intricate, colorful element of glass design on the floor. Tradition of decorating Kolam is extremely popular in Kerala and is ritual in every household during 10 days long of Onam celebration.
The South Indian culture is the elaborate dance forms of South India. The dance forms are divided into classical dance and folk dance. Classical dances of South India are Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Mohiniyattam and Kathakali.
While the most famous folk dances from the South India are the treat for the lovers of folk art, Kumi, Padyayani, Kolanalu, Mailattam, Veragadisi, Teyyam, Perini Tandavam, Garadi, Tepatagulla, Kavadiyattam. Kavadiyattam is a ceremonial sacrifice offering practiced by the devotees during the worship of Murugan, the Hindu god of war.
Gujarat, Rajasthan, Goa and Maharashtra.
Indian style of painting, also known as the Jhania painting, is a highly conservative style of Indian miniature painting, largely devoted and illustrated about Jhania religious texts of the 12th, 16th centuries. Dance forms of West India include Garba, Tippani dance, Kachi Godi, Parvi Nach, Koli, Ghumar and Kalbelia. Koli dance is a popular folk dance of Maharashtra and Goa states of India. It was created by the Kolis of Mumbai, and all the festivals celebrated by the Kolis are celebrated with the Koli dance.
The culture of Rajasthan includes many artistic traditions that reflects the ancient Indian way of life. Rajasthan is also called as Land of Kings.
Ghumar is probably the most popular folk dance in India. These dance forms introduced by the Bhil tribe and later adopted by the royal communities of Rajasthan, including Rajputs.
For its textiles, semi-precious stonework and its traditional and colorful handicrafts. Rajasthan is also one of the cultural centers for its miniature painting arts with its unique Rajasthan or Rajputana school of paintings. Rajasthani paintings including murals, frescoes and miniature art are popular crafts of the state. For example, Phar paintings. Paintings on cloth portraying the epic lives of local hero gods are popularly known as Phar paintings.
सत श्री अकाल, संडे पंजाब विच तुहाडा स्वागत है। Punjabis are known to be very helpful, welcoming and proud people. They welcome everyone with open hearts and of course with a glass of lassi and typical Punjabi food. They celebrate all the festivals with great zeal and zest, with great food, music, dances and revelry. The beauty of Punjab is as magical as it becomes.
Gidda. Gidda is a popular folk dance of women in the Punjab region. It is often considered derived from ancient dance known as the ring dance and is just as energetic as bhangra. At the same time, it manages to creatively display feminine grace, elegance and flexibility.
crafts of Punjab, Fulkari is the most popular handiwork in India and abroad. It is mainly associated with flower embroidery over dupattas and shawls. It is intricate needlework.
Jai Jaya Himachal. Himachal Pradesh is famous for its beautiful views as well as adventure activities such as treks, paragliding, skiing and so much more. Himachal Pradesh is a multi-religion practicing, multicultural and multilingual state.
The handicrafts that come out of the state are the carpets, leatherworks, shawls, metalware, woodwork and paintings. The Pashmina shawl is a pretty product which is in high demand not only in Himachal but all over the country. Colorful Himachali caps are also famous artworks of the people.
In the Kulu, Manali, Shimla, etc. of Himachal Pradesh. Traditionally, locals dance to the beats of percussion instruments called Dhol Damau. The Kinnauri Nati dance is mime-like and includes languid sequences. Important among the dances of Nati is Losar Shone Chukso. The name is from Losai or the New Year. Activities such as sowing the crop and reaping it are included in it.
Namaskar. The natives of the state of Assam are known as Assamiya or Assamese, which is also the state language of Assam. Assam is a meeting ground of diverse cultures. Assam has large number of tribes with different tradition, culture, dress and exotic way of life. The people of this enchanting state are an intermixture of various racial stocks.
The distinctive style has made Ashikandi an ethnic art brand in India. Ashikandi is also known for its solar pit craft made from the soft core of a special kind of reed. Terracotta as a medium has dominated the handicrafts of Assam since time immemorial. Bihu is the most popular folk dance of Assam. Bihu dances are performed by young boys and girls during the Bihu festivities. It is characterized by brisk dance steps and rapid hand movement. Bihu dancers wear traditional colorful Assamese clothing.
आकाशे बातासे लगे रे चंपा फुटीचे चमेली फुटीचे तार सुबासे मयनाय आमार भासी रे बिहुरे लगान मधुरे मुगान आकाशे बातासे लगे रे चंपा फुटीचे चमेली फुटीचे.
India is a land of diverse cultures and boasts of rich cultural heritage. We, from Cultural Club, have attempted to show you glimpses of this abundant culture. We hope that it will lead you to discover more about our Indian culture and appreciate its rich heritage with pride. Unity in diversity, these aren't simply words. They are a metaphor for a country like India, which is extraordinarily rich in culture and legacy. Jai Hind.